Hello students, hi everyone, what's up? Hi, oi, hi, oi, hi. Hi, this is Varsha. How are you, my students? Hi, Arvind, hi, Nishant, hi, Divyanshu, Lakshmi. Technical, क्या बात है? रॉयल एनफील्ड, आहाना, रॉय. कैसे हो यार? हेलो एवरीवन. गुड इवनिंग, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. Yes, yes, students, yes, I am fine. How are you all? Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking, students. Hi Anshu. Hi Diya. Hi Alvar. कैसे यार बच्चे लोग मेरे? ओए होए की बात है. Audio, video, all clear? If everything is clear, please write oi hoy in the chat box yaar. If you can see me and hear me clearly. ओए होए ठीक है. Thank you Anna. All clear. ठीक है. So how is your evening going on? How is your evening going on? How is life? Students of 12th standard have just appeared for JEE exams after a long wait, and NEET students will be appearing on this Sunday. So yeah, NEET and JEE exams are there. You all will be soon in their places. You all will be soon in their places. Over here, the climate is like amazing. It's raining heavily. It has come in the news, right? Mumbai mein there is going to be heavy rain. So it's raining very heavily. Rains in Kerala also. Good. Okay. So obviously I love rains because my name is Varsha. No AS Pai. I'm not ignoring you, beta. Vikesh. Hello. Beta, I am from Mumbai. Okay. Chalo. So everyone, have you all joined the Telegram group? Tell me. Have you all joined the Telegram group? You all know what is the way of presenting, right? All my students know it very well. मैम को लेक्चर में कैसे प्रेजेंटी लगाते बताओ? You all have to hit the like button and I will come to know my students are present for my lecture. My students are here to study from me. Good. Done. Subscribe also to the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, whom are you waiting for? Please go and subscribe the channel right now and we will proceed then. De Morgan's law, yes. ऐसे धाकड़ है, अरे धाकड़ girl, you are again there. Yes, wonderful to see my lovely old students as well as new fresh bees. Sets is the easiest chapter, no doubt. Sets is the easiest chapter. So yeah, if as I said, NEET and JEE exams are like around. JEE has already been finished. NEET is coming on this Sunday, that is day after tomorrow. You will be appearing for the same exams soon. You don't have much time in 2022, 2023. You all will also be appearing for various competitive exams. And if you want to ace your performance, then we have the most innovative learning platform for you, which is Vedantu. And for getting the pro subscription, I'll tell you what is the procedure and what are the benefits of this pro subscription. Like generally students, if they ask what is the difference between YouTube and pro subscription, why should we go for pro subscription? So let's understand what's the Benefits of Pro subscription. First thing, you will get unlimited live online teaching, which will be personalized, right? It will be personalized, and you will have the option to choose your language. जेई English बैच में जाना है कि जेई हिंदी बैच में जाना है, it's all up to you, man. Whatever you're comfortable with. When I say personalized teaching, there are so many class teachers when the lecture is going on. So in case you are having a doubt, it gets immediately resolved. Immediate resolving of doubts, right? If you appear for tests and assignments, your score will be evaluated. You will be given continuous feedback based on how you're performing, what are the areas of improvement, and so much is there in the list. It's all customized for you for your improvement. And the pricing for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months is this. But we will offer 15% discount if you are using my code. If you are going through my reference, your pricing will reduce to 2,294 for 1 month. For 3 months, it's 5,949, and for 6 months, it's merely 9,800. So yeah, if you go for 6 months, the amount 11,500 reduces to 9,800. There's a deduction of 15%, and if you calculate the per day cost, it's only and only 54 rupees. What's the procedure to enroll yourself? You can yourself go and enroll. Just go to the site. Just type vdnt.in/ytpro in the browser. In your browser, just type vdnt.in/ytpro. Go to that link and you will have the steps: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Select whatever is convenient to you, and do not you forget to use VTI Pro as your coupon code. VTI, Varsha Tiwari, right? For all the pro people, we have a pro subscription. So let's recap with what we did in the last class. Is it a good idea to recap every time we proceed ahead? जो पहले पढ़ा है उसको नहीं भूलना है ना? Yes. चलो. Abhishek Kumar, the amount is only 54 rupees a day. In 54 rupees, suppose you are taking 5 hours of coaching every day. I am considering minimum, yaar, you are in 11th standard, you are watching 5 hours of content every day. In 54 rupees. So per lecture, per lecture, yeah, per hour, you are just paying 10 rupees. I mean, it's not a restriction 5 hours. If you want, you can watch 8 hours of lectures. 54 rupees mein you are getting every day 5 to 8 hours of lectures, depends upon your capacity. Each lecture you're just paying 7 to 8 rupees. Isn't that wonderful, yaar? It's the cheapest. Yes. Okay, let's recap what we did in the last class, guys. Let's recap. We saw what is the definition of set. It is a collection of well-defined and well-distinguished objects. Yaad hai the 2 words I underlined? Yes, all my students remember. Then we saw what is cardinal number or cardinality. The number of elements is called as the cardinal number, and the 2 methods to represent the set. Everybody, do you remember the 2 methods very well? We took good amount of questions on both of them. Roster method, list method, comma. In set builder method, we use a variable and some property of that variable is mentioned. That was about the last class. What are we going to do in today's class, students? We are going to understand what are the different types of sets. That's it. Today's class is about understanding the different types of sets. And then going home, tata bye bye. Right? We are already at home. Happy evening. Happy. Okay. So types of sets: empty set or null set, then singleton set, finite infinite set, universal set, equal sets, equivalent sets. These are the only 6 type of sets that we are going to study today. We'll take them one by one. We'll take few questions on them. I'll give you a homework in the end. है ना? As you all demanded, मैम homework चाहिए, homework मांगता है, homework देगा. जो मांगता है वो देगा. So basically, whatever we did in last class was the content from exercise 1.1. From exercise 1.1 of your NCERT. So if you would have gone back, visited your textbook, you would have noticed your exercise 1.1 has been nicely covered. Today, our aim is to cover exercise 1.2, right, which is based on types of sets. That's our aim for the day. Power set, subset, universal set is something that we will be doing in next lecture. Yes, these 3 I want to deal in a little more detail. Subset, power set, these 2 things. Universal we are doing today. These 2 are very important. I want to deal them in great detail. So next 2 sessions are basically based on subsets and power sets. Yes. भाई डिलीटेड सिलेबस होगा या नहीं? तो बच्चा, as the name is NCERT, so whatever is there in your current NCERT textbook, that will be covered definitely. So just be assured about it. What about the deleted portion? So if we are finishing the portion on time, before time, definitely we will cover the deleted portion. And it's not like some deleted portions definitely we teachers have to take because it's of importance. So wherever I feel भाई ये important है, I will teach. है ना? चलो, clear? Okay. Oh, wonderful. Chalo, we will take the Menti also. Taken. Rudraksh, bhai, your suggestion is taken. ठीक है, we'll take Menti. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will get everything. You will get the session PDF notes. You will get the Mentees, provided you all subscribe to the channel and to the Telegram group. है ना? इतना तो रिटर्न में मांगता है यार. चलिए, let's start with the first type of set out of the 6 sets. Let's start with the first type of set, which is the empty set or the null set. Now, let's keep the session very interactive. ठीक है students, let us keep the session very interactive. We'll come up with some creative ideas. What is an empty set or null set? So any set which does not contain anything is called as an empty set. A null set, sometimes also called as a void set. It's a nulla. Nulla है बेचारा, है ना? The name itself says it's null. Example. Can you tell me? ठीक है, I'll be asking some funny examples from you. So let's see who comes up with the great example. चल, I'm giving you one example. Tell me a natural number less than 1. Define a set A having natural number less than 1. Can you tell me anything? Will there be any element in the set? No, the set is going to be empty. It's going to be simply 2 brackets. So that's one example. ठीक है? Natural number less than 1. So this is one way of representing. The other way of representing an empty set is a symbol phi. है ना? This letter phi, Greek letter phi. ऐसे circle and then cut in between. So these are the 2 ways. Do not write it like this. है ना? Students, गलती से if you write it like this, this is not an empty set. It's a set which has an element phi in it. So this is not an empty set. Either you use only curly brackets or you use only the symbol phi. Chalo, do you have any other example? See, here is one more example. A is a set of all x such that x is greater than 5, less than 6. Tell me the numbers which are greater than 5 and less than 6. But it should be a natural number. There is no natural number greater than 5, less than 6. It's an empty set. Come to this example of set A. X belongs to natural numbers and x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So basically, what is this set A actually when I write it in roster form? What are the elements in set A? What are the elements in set A? It's the, after you solve this bracket, it's the elements 2 comma 3. So A has two elements. It's not a null set. It's not a null set. We have to identify by which is null, which is not null. So A, first one, is not a null set. Second, B is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x square is equal to 9. Natural number भी होना चाहिए and x square should be equal to 9. When I solve this equation, I get the set B to be equal to plus or minus 3. So can I write plus minus 3 both? Because no, minus 3 is not a natural number. Plus 3 तो लिख ही सकते हैं boss. Plus 3 तो लिख ही सकते हैं. So B has only one element which is plus 3. So again it is not a null set. What about C? When you solve this equation, 2x equal to 3, which implies x is equal to 3 by 2. So C is a set which contains 3 by 2? No. I want x to be natural number and 3 by 2 is not a natural number. It's 1.5. It's a rational number. So my C set is empty set. So my C set is empty set. Yes, very correct. Null set is C set. बिल्कुल सही सरगुन, सही पकड़े हैं. चलो. So what are the other examples that you can give? One of the students says, ma'am, D be a set of my friend's brain. he assumes that his friend's brain is empty. So that is one example of empty set. So that's how I was talking about being creative. Chalo, do you have any nice example? Singleton set, the second type of set बच्चा लोग. चलो हम लोग है ना एक सेशन ही कर लेते हैं. क्या बोलते हो स्टूडेंट्स? Since you all are so interested in my hairstyle, let's take up a session. Why my hairstyle is like this? Was I always like this? Am I going to be always like this? Is my hairstyle? है ना? Let's do that. Varsha Ma'am's hairstyle. क्या बोलते हो? Yes. Okay. चलो, someday we'll definitely do that. What is the inspiration? What is the... चलो. क्लास 12 की क्लास चालू हो गई है मेरे बच्चे. क्लास 12 has started. Class 12 का first lecture we started with matrices yesterday. The next lecture is tomorrow Saturday, है ना? Second lecture of matrices. Okay, Rudraksh. Okay, Rudraksh. So Rudraksh, when there is a breakup, life is a null set. Okay. The number of girlfriends you have, null set. Okay. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Singleton set. What is a singleton set? Name says it's a set having one and only one element in it. The set containing even prime number. Tell me all the even prime numbers. Tell me all the even prime numbers. There is only one even prime number, which is 2. Hence, it becomes a singleton set. Any other example comes to your mind? Any other example that comes to your mind? Yes, Divyanshu. Yes, Naman. Cool. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi. Hanji Shankar. चलो, नहीं आता, नहीं आता. My mother tongue is Hindi. So Singleton set. How many? जाने दो यार, जाने दो. Next, we'll do some jokes but not right in the beginning. कोई बच्चा बुरा मान गया तो यार, मजाकिया मिजाज है मेरा. चल कोई नहीं. फाइनाइट एंड इनफाइनाइट सेट पकड़ते हैं. What is a finite set? A set which is empty or consists countable number of elements. है ना? Any set in which you can count the number of elements is called as a finite set. And any set in which you just can't count the number of elements is called as an infinite set. As simple as that. So, all the natural numbers. Can you count all the natural numbers? नहीं boss. एक point के बाद तो. So yes, it's an infinite set. Look at the first example. Set A, all natural numbers infinite. We can't count. Set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 13, 20. Can we count? Hanji, there are total 8 elements, so it becomes finite. Tell me about this. Let W be the set of days of the week. Is W set finite or infinite? Set of days of the week. It's not, W is not whole number. W is just name of the set containing days of the week. So days of the week, yes, we all can count here, Monday to Sunday. है ना? So it's finite. It's finite. Let D be the set of dogs in India. Can you count the number of dogs in India? कुत्ते बिल्ली गिन सकते हो? हाँ जी गिन सकते हैं. Though it's a very large number, but yeah, it can be counted. It can be counted. So it's again a finite set. Number of coronavirus infinite. क्या बोलते हो? Number of coronavirus infinite. Can you count? अरे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, count कहाँ से करें? और क्या बोलते हो? Number of stars in the galaxy infinite. Okay. So identify, chalo, let's identify. Students, help me in identifying. A is a set of all x where x belongs to natural numbers and x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. You have to tell me whether this set A is finite or infinite. So let's convert this set builder into roasted form. What are the elements in set A? When you solve this, अभी बताया था, it's like factorization. X value is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 both are natural numbers. So A has 2 elements. It's a properly countable set. It becomes a finite set. Simple है, simple है, simple है, dimple है. Dimple, is it simple? I saw a name Dimple. नहीं सच्ची. B is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is greater than 6. Oh, hoy. Greater than 6 natural numbers, 7, 8, 9, dot. I just can't write all the natural numbers, so I'll put this dot, which means it continues and it implies it's an infinite set. C. What about C, guys? What about C? C is a set of all x such that x belongs to natural numbers and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this equation we have to solve and get the value of x. चलो करते हैं. 2x is equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1 by 2. Bro, 1 by 2 is not a natural number. So which means C set is empty. C set is empty. C set is empty. Empty set is finite or infinite? Wonderful. Yes, Arman, Melora. Yes, yes, yes. It's finite. Empty set is a finite set because you can count the number of elements. 0. The number of elements is 0. So it's finite. D set. What can you say about the D set? X belongs to natural number and X should be odd. So what are the odd natural numbers here? 1, 3, 5 and so on. I just can't count. It's infinite. Hanji, right hai. We all can do this. Chalo. Next set is universal set. Universal set means a set which contains all the elements of a problem under consideration. Suppose I have a problem, I mean problem matlab sum, yani ki scenario, yani ki set. Suppose I have a set A which has integers. Let's say a set which has integers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. ऐसे randomly I have just taken a set. Dot, 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 dot. So it's a set containing all the integers. So for this particular set, what can be the universal set? What can be इसका बाप कौन रहेगा? Integers से बड़ा. Any set which is bigger than the integer set becomes a universal set for this particular question. So I know real numbers is a bigger set. Didn't we see that yesterday? Real numbers is a bigger set. Real number contains everything, integers and everything. So real number is a universal set for this particular question, for this particular problem. ठीक है? Now students, consider कि भाई universal set मतलब everything, all the elements in the universe is under the universal set. नहीं. It's for that particular problem under consideration. उस problem के लिए which is the set bigger set, that becomes your universal set. Clear है तो ओए होए मांगता है. Is that clear? Is that la clarista? Clear means la clarista. Cool. La cristala. La clarista. Okay, clarista. ठीक है, fine. Next set, equal sets. The second last one, equal sets and then equivalent sets. Equal sets, what are equal sets? Any two sets, if they have the same elements in them, they are called as equal sets. The name are so self-explanatory. है ना? How do we write any two equal sets? A equal to B. Means the sets are equal. For example, you can see the example here at the bottom. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it equal? Is it equal? No, it's not equal. It's not at all equal. Let me give you another example. P is a set containing A, B, C. P is a set containing A, B, C. Q is a set containing C, A, B. Is P equal to Q? Is P equal to Q? Is P equal to Q? Yes, P is equal to Q. The ordering does not matter. In sets, you can change the order. आगे पीछे लिखो, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Ordering does not matter. Check the elements. All the elements of P and Q are same. If they are same, the sets are equal. Thumbs up. P is equal to Q. Cool. Next. What is equivalent sets? A small difference between equal sets and equivalent sets. In equal sets, the elements are same. In equivalent sets, the number of elements are equal, right? For example, look at the first example. A is 1, 2, 3. B is X, Y, Z. The number of elements in A is 3. The number of elements in B is also 3. If the number of elements are same, they are called as equivalent sets. They are called as equivalent sets. They are equivalent. They are not equal but equal. Second example, how much is n of A? 2. Number of elements in B is also 2. Are they equivalent? Yes. The number of elements are same. They are equivalent. Are they equal? Yes. because the elements are also same, 1 to 2 1. They are equivalent as well as equal. Clear between difference between equivalent and equal, कोई confuse नहीं होगा. Let's check whether we have understood everything or not. फटाफट. Let me see how many students have liked the video. You're not sharing, guys. You're not sharing it amongst your friends. Gandi baat. Call your friends, share it with your friends. If you're enjoying, if you're understanding, if you feel that you're here for 45 minutes with Varsha ma'am and you are taking away something, you're not wasting your time, you're learning something, then you should share it with your friends. दूसरों का भी भला करिए, खुद का भी भला करिए, हमारा भी भला करिए. It's like you spread love, you get love, right? Okay. Check whether the following is true or false. X such that x square plus 1 is 0 and x belongs to R is a null set. Is it a null set? Let's solve. Let me take a black color. X square is equal to minus 1, which means x is equal to under root minus 1. Now, definitely this is not a real number. It's a complex number. Imaginary mein chala jata hai. We haven't studied imaginary so far. Root of a negative number we haven't studied, which means I do not get any answer. I do not get any solution to this. It is a null set is perfectly right. It's true. The first one is true, students. You were right. Second, is this a null set? A set containing the element 0. Is it a null set? No, it's not a null set. It's not a null set. So this equation, this particular statement becomes false. Why it's not a null set? It's a singleton set. It has an element 0 in it. It's a singleton set. Don't get confused. Right? There is one element 0 present. Next. A set X such that X is smallest natural number is a singleton set. Smallest natural number. Is that a singleton set? Yes, the smallest natural number is 1. It's perfectly a singleton set, hence this particular statement is true. 0 belongs to 5. Now what does this mean? I'll read it out. The number 0 belongs to 5 set. 5 means empty set. Will the element 0 belong to empty set? Empty set के अंदर 0 element present होता है क्या? Does the number 0 belong to this empty set? No, it does not belong. So it's a false. It's a fallacy. This is a singleton set. क्या बोलते हो students? Let me hear it from you. The last one, the E one. A set containing element 5. Is it a singleton set? True, it's true, my dear students. The last one is true. Yes, it's a singleton set. See, this is a set in which I have one element 5. There's only one element, so it's a singleton set. What about this? There's only one element, it's a singleton set. What about this? No element, it's an empty set. Singleton, empty. What about simplify? If I write simplify, again it's an empty set. So that's how you're going to differentiate between singleton and empty. I hope we are on the same page. Phi is nothing but phi is a Greek letter. It's a letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, phi, वैसे. Phi is an element. An element is sitting in the curly bracket. There is an element sitting within the brackets. There's an element, so you get a singleton. If it's simplify, which means it's empty. Right? Right here, right here. We are done with this. Next. Which of the following are examples of null set? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. Bhai. Odd numbers, what are odd numbers? Even number means numbers which are divisible by 2. There is no odd number which is divisible by 2. It breaks the definition, it violates the definition. There is no odd number which is divisible by 2. Hence, yes, this is a null set. Agreed, na? Yes. Set of even prime numbers. Is it null? Even prime numbers? No. There is one element present. I have 2. 2 is the even prime number. So it's not null, it's singleton. So I will write not null. X is a natural number such that x is less than 5 and greater than 7. And present hota hai na bachcho. And means it should satisfy both the conditions. It should be less than 5, it should be greater than 7. Is there a number which is less than 5, greater than 7? No, I don't know such a number. I don't know. Sorry. So it's a null set. It's a null set. There is no number which is less than 5 and greater than 7. So it becomes properly a null set. Next. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. What do you say about this fourth one? Is it a null set or empty? I mean, is it null set or not a null set? The last one. Point common to any two parallel lines. Any two parallel lines will never have any point common. So it's a null set. Very good. क्या response कर रहे हैं यार students. Amazing. Let's identify finite and infinite sets in a similar way. The set of months of a year. Yes, set of months of a year are fixed. Jan to December. Yes, so it's finite. 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. As soon as I see it's infinite, we can't count it. It's beyond our counting capacity. 1, 2, 3, 99, 100. Dot, dot, dot is there, but then we have the upper limit also. It's going only till 100. We have the upper limit. 1 to 100 we can count. Sabko counting aati hai na, 1 to 100. If you know, it's a finite. If you don't know the counting, then it's infinite. The set of positive integers. The set of positive integers greater than 100. All the positive integers greater than 100. 101, 102, goes to million, billion, I don't know. So it's infinite, we can't count it. Clear? I think it's la clarista. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Can we count all the prime numbers less than 99? Yes, very well, we can count it. Though there is not a direct formula, we have to literally sit and write down all the numbers. But yes, it's countable, so it's finite. So good. So see everybody answering in synchronization. सबका आंसर synchronization में आ रहा है, कोई भी इधर उधर नहीं भटक रहा है. मतलब ओके. नेहा यादव, बेटा मजाक है यार. Yes, null set, we can also say it as void set, empty set, whatever you like it. बोल दीजिए. State whether each of the following is finite or infinite. Let's go quickly. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Finite or infinite? I'll just write F and I. F for finite, I for infinite. Set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. I can draw literally infinite lines parallel to x-axis. Can you draw? See, this is x-axis. There can be as many lines you want. So it's a infinite set. Next, the set of letters in the English. Set of letters in the English alphabet. Yes, you can count the alphabets in the English word. ENGLISH. Countable hai, it's finite. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Now there are so many numbers multiple of 5, you just can't count it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. There even the negative side. So it becomes an infinite set. Yes, very good. Fourth one, the set of animals living on the earth. बेयर ग्रिल्स को पूछना पड़ेगा क्या? The set of animals living on earth. It's finite. It's finite, though again it's huge, but then it's finite. The hairs on your body, मतलब बहुत है, but can be counted, right? It's finite. Set of animals. The set of, so because everybody, whenever they counted, the answer is going to be same. The number of animals, 1, 2, 3, discrete है boss. The set of circles passing through the origin. The set of circles passing through the origin. How many circles can pass through the origin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्या बोलते हो? Nice रंगोली ना? 6. And there can be simply infinite circles which can be passing through the origin. Hence again it becomes a infinite sets. Lovely. Now tell me whether the sets are equal or not. Pay attention, I'm talking about equal, not equivalent. Equal, when I say, you have to compare the elements. A has ABCD, B has DCBA. Are they equal? Yes. All the elements match होते हैं, ditto है, ting tong ting. Matching, so it's equal. E for equal. U for unequal, right? A is 4, 8, 12, 16. B is 8, 4, 6, 18. B is 8, 4, 6, 18. Are they equal? 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 6, 18. No, unequal. Who is saying that equal? It's unequal, bacha. Yes. A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is a set containing x such that x is positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. This is the question. ठीक है? Set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B is a set of positive even integers less than equal to 10. So what will be there in set B actually? All the positive integers less than equal to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Kudo. A and B are exactly equal, so they come under equal sets. I will write A equal to B. Last one. A is a set of x where x is a multiple of 10. B is a set of containing 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Tell me, is A and B are equal or unequal? In the last example, in the fourth example. Multiple of 10. A is a multiple, set A is a multiple of 10. So it will be 10, 20, 40, 40 and so on. Set B is 10, 15, 20. Are they equal? No, they are not. So A is not equal to B. That's your fourth question ka answer. That's your fourth question answer, unequal. Right? Yes, the students are right. The students are amazing. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Shall we go ahead? If it's La Clarista, it's all La amazing. ठीक है, students, for equivalent, let me just highlight once again. For equal, we write it like this: A equal to B. For equal. And for equivalent sets, where the number of elements are equal, we write A is equivalent to B like this. है ना? This curve, you will form this curvish shape. It's called equivalent symbol. Chalo, ready to go to this question? Let's deal this question. Are the following pair of sets equal? Give reasons. Again, continuing the same trend. A is 2, 3 and B is a set of x such that x is solution of this quadratic equation. I want each one of you to find the set B for me. Can you find the set B for me? Set B mein what elements will be present? La amazing Roy, la amazing Manshu, la amazing Arman, la lovely. Yes. Please tell me the elements in set B. Yes, Himanshu, you're right. Yes, Nishant, Akaspu, bilkul sahi. When you solve this quadratic equation, it's a very simple quadratic equation. You need to find the factors. The factors are, you'll get x plus 2 and x plus 3 in the brackets. So x value is basically minus 2 and minus 3. These are the roots. Are A and B equal? No, no, no. They are not equal. So A is not equal to B. Unequal. Bilkul sahi. Next pair. A is a letter in the word follow. B is a letter in the word wolf. Is A and B set equal? Please calculate and tell me. A is a letter in the word follow. Set A. Please build the set A for question number 2. What will be set A? Letter of the word follow. So it's going to be F, O, L and W. What is B set? W, O, L, F. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So in second question, they are equal sets. Achha, additional, is set A, the first question equivalent? Is A and B equivalent in first question? Yes, Arman. Yes, you're right. In question 2, are A and B equivalent? Yes. So both A and B are equivalent in question 1 and 2, and as well as it's equal in 2 but not equal in 1. So what did we study today, guys? What did we study? This is the summary. All these 6 types, I am sure it's crystal clear in your head. And you were there with me for the last 40-50 minutes. It was a great time with you all, and I am showing you the homework. This is the homework, and comment your answers. Don't forget to comment in the chat box. Whatever are your doubts, difficulties, suggestions, feedbacks, everything. Love and gussa, sab kuch, है ना? Keep sharing with me. I would love to know from you. I would love to hear from all of you. And this is the homework. Just note it down. Just take a screenshot or you can watch the video again. And don't forget, if you have any confusions, VTI Pro is there for rescue. If you can join our long-term batches, you will get more amazing teachers. 20 plus teachers you will be getting. You can learn from whoever you want. We have this Telegram group. You know the rituals, right? Interactions, polls, notes, everything is there. All the updates. All your teachers will be interacting. And finally, like, share, subscribe और ये बजा दो. चलो. It was a successful session, I hope, and we will meet again on Monday. But before that, we may meet again. You will get to know the surprise before that also. How to complete PCM in 4 months. Okay, Prabhat, I'll take down your suggestion. We'll take down your suggestion. You can post your suggestions in the comment box. That will be more better, right? कल मेंटेन नहीं होगा बच्चा. योर टाइमिंग्स आर मंडे, वेंसडे, फ्राइडे, राइट? तो कल तो 12th की क्लास होगी सेम टाइम 4 o'clock. ये जब बात मोहन, जब बात. दंगल मूवी की गीता जैसी लगती है. या व्हेन माय हेयर्स वर अ लिटिल शॉर्टर, या एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू से दैट. Bye bye. Thanks a lot for being here. Thanks a lot. Had a lovely time, lovely evening with you guys. See you all soon. Take care.